not the only one. She want to control the dance. See me and her, flirt, yeah, she love to ram. Me know all along, girl, me love the way you looking at your heels, you amazing now. Your waist is not tight now. See the looking at your eyes now. You want to ride me down. Say she love me when she give me.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? Elephant managed to return to court on February 7, 2012 after he allegedly stole electricity.
You think I go around a serious condition, it no matter about race, nor creed or religion. Dark up your eye, let me to blur your vision. What's other malnutrition with name JPS? Yeah, Jamaican people stress. The brand new disease when enough people like catch JPS. Yeah, Jamaican people stress. If months then come and you depressed, then I must JPS. Yeah, Jamaican people stress. You better make your doctor do what they see if you are JPS. Yeah, Jamaican people stress. Outflow for country in the darkness.
What the deal? Khago has formed a new education-based charity called the Ricardo Gayle Education Foundation. The charity will pay special attention to the schools from the parish of St. Anne.
Me wish every youth could have own a mill. The USA Europe mill. Stuffing and pay no rent and no incident. Your room bigger than parliament. Floss all event. Yo, the youths them a hustle the food. Positive them a go for the food. That man come a F up the food. Like him have something to prove. Youth we have things how me not lie. Youth we have things how me not lie. Big house by the hill, low profile. When girls say I wanna pass by.
What the deal? Macka Diamond has released her new album digitally last month, and the hard copy is to its stores in January. The album is called Don't Disturb Me, and it has 15 tracks. It was produced by her label called Moneo Productions.
Wind up now. Cartoon. Natisha, wine you be wine, you be wine to the power up. Wine you be wine, you be wine to the steady wine. Wine you be wine, you be wine to the tita wine. Pay your toe girl, then your roll girl. Jiggle up your body and break out. Stand the big dumper truck if you walk out.
What the deal? Beenie Man is upset after Laing allegedly said that the veteran artist can't do anything for his show. But Laing responded stating that Beenie Man doesn't want to perform because of the clash with Bounty Killer, whom he believes is too hot for Beenie.
Bounty is saying that he's going to call the world out. So I don't know who's going to join him.
So that one is not yet confirmed.
Right, because
the Beenie Bounty.
Beenie Bounty, because Beenie is now saying other things. And I don't know why they choose to pick on me every year that I say things about them. I did not say anything about Beenie Man. I said things about him to big him up.
Same.
But then all the interview was not played out. So what he picked up, he thought I was dissing him. I wasn't.
Same.
But if he thinks I'm dissing him, then I'm sorry, Beenie Man. You want me to apologize? Come and do the show for the people. It's not my show anymore. Same. This is now an institution for the world.
So, I don't know. Well, you have time to bring around the king of the dancehall, and I'm sure
I know he's going to be coming to the show.
He will
Trust
be there.
me. He will be there.
All right.
What the deal? Vybz Kartel is charged with conspiracy to pervert the course of justice.
The cops have accused Kartel and a member of his empire network, Gaza Slim, of conspiring to deceive the authorities. This was disclosed today when Gaza Slim, whose real name is Vanessa Sadler, appeared before the Corporate Area Criminal Court this morning on a charge of attempting to pervert the course of justice. Gaza Slim is accused of making a false report to the police, and today investigators reported that they have the evidence linking Vybz Kartel to the alleged plot. Gaza Slim was remanded until December 19, when she will appear in court jointly with Vybz Kartel. A senior investigator told TVG News this afternoon that they are making arrangements to interview Vybz Kartel, who will then be charged.
What the deal? Gaza Slim is being charged for attempting to pervert the course of justice. The charges are related to the reports that Gaza Slim made to the police. It is alleged that Gaza Slim told the police that she was robbed by Clive Lizard Williams, the same man that Vybz Kartel is being charged for allegedly murdering. Police say they have seized a cell phone which contains a message instructing her how to conduct the story.
The police had reported that on October 29, Gaza Slim visited the Constant Spring police station and reported that she had just been robbed by Clive Williams, the man with whose murder Vybz Kartel has been charged. However, the police say this was in an attempt to prove that Mr. Williams was not dead. It's understood that the police seized a cellular phone with a text message to her to fabricate the story.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out islandvibes.com for the latest music news and mixtape. It is very easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
Now fly out for a couple months, you know. Make sure you hold it. Yeah.
You give me good love, plus you remind me. So I'm for this you.
When the sun gone down and the lover come down, woman get that and want fi have fun. Remember you say me a your sugar plum plum. Remember you tell me you not give me bun.
Me be happy, anything or anything. Me we do the things them as long as you want me. Me be happy, anything or anything. Me we do the things them as long as you want me.
Say you love off the general. Don't give way when we go again.